My girl, she mixed with Mexican. Yeah, to top it off, she had a twin. Ride forward, got a lot of little friends. Jamaica, Puerto.
What's up? It's your boy Ivo.
It's your girl Shawnda.
And we back with another lit ass vlog. Today we gonna be vlogging. It's a cook vlog today. We're gonna be making spaghetti and fish. That's what we're gonna be doing today. Wifey already prepping the ground beef. You got your spaghetti noodles. You got your green peppers that I'm trying to prep. Then you got your onions. Then you got your tomato sauce.
I think this is done.
And then over here, you got your fish in the sink. I haven't seasoned the fish. I haven't did anything yet. But y'all stay tuned, because your boy about to get it done. Your boy can cook. Your boy is the master chef. Your boy and your girl gets down. You feel me? This is how we do it. Live in the kitchen, you know. So, I'm about to prep the fish. Once I get done seasoning it, I'm going to show y'all how it looks. Do you feel me? Do you feel me? Let's get it. So y'all, I attempted to cut the onions. And it got my eyes fucking burning. So, time to break up your spaghetti noodles. Oops. So we break them up in a bowl. Then we got our spaghetti in a bowl. Fill it with water. Gotta make sure the water is, you know, above it, you feel me? That's enough. So, we got fucking grease popping. You already got that done. Noodles still boiling, and I need to find the fucking top. Oh, there you go. Pull out your fish. Look at that, y'all. That's beautiful, though. Oh my god. Oh my god. You got your flour. I said flour, I'm sorry. You got your yellow cornmeal, because that's what I prefer to make it with. And here's my top right here, you know what I'm saying? So I can get a little steamy, you know what I'm saying? So your boy finally finished cutting up your onions. And you did. Damn, let's wait. Let me see. Wait, let me see. Wait a minute. Here it is. You need the Texas toast. Texas fucking toast. But I got another one, a preserved one. You feel me? Because I want to go all. Oh, shit. You know when everything starts falling out the refrigerator and shit? You got it in the puzzle. There we go. Got it. So we got our Texas toast. We got that. Now it's time for me to dip the fucking cornmeal. My bad, y'all, I'm tweaking. Time for me to put the fish inside the cornmeal. That's what I'm about to do. Okay, that look good, y'all. How that look? Fantastic on it. Ooh. Ooh. Well then. It's getting there. It's not ready yet, but it's getting there, y'all. Not ready yet. And you got this grease just popping. That's grease just popping. Here it is. So y'all wanna drain your meat. Get all that greasy shit up out the meat. Oh, I can hear my phone ringing. I think it's the wife. So I'll be right back, y'all, after these messages. Oh. 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 These noodles. Damn, they're done. Oh. See how it is, y'all? You want it like this. You want them to become all noodly. See how flexible they is like noodles? They're done. They're done. Cut this off. Next, I have to drain them. Oh, that's perfect. Look, the perfect noodle. I said noodle with a T. I mean noodle. Excuse me. You feel me? So I'm gonna put y'all up here. I'm sorry. Hopefully you can see everything. But I don't really have a good camera view right now. And I'm still trying to figure that out. But as of right now, let's see where I can set y'all up there. Oh, someone's coming in. Who may that be? Oh, it's the wife. We had to get some hot sauce. We had to get some hot sauce.
Niggas can't eat no fish and no chicken without their hot sauce.
You did. I need my hot sauce with my fish and my spaghetti. You did. Oh, look, what type of hot sauce it is? Texas Pete, you know.
I thought they was gonna have some bootleg and shit.
I just popped that up in there. Now I gotta strain these noodles. Yeah. Let me strain these noodles real quick. Oh, you good? So we got 2 of them done. Look at that fish. Oh my God. Looks so good. You know what I'm saying? So now what I'm about to do is grab the ground beef. Pour it over in the noodles. Oh. Oh. Here you go, wifey. I no longer need that. We have cut up onions. Oh, I gotta get the onion shit up out of here. So the outer shell. Oh. Think I need to cut these up some more?
If you feel like you need to dice or some more, use this. And grate it.
I'm about to grate it now. I'm good. I don't need to dice it no more.
I don't think you need to dice it no more. If you feel like you need to do it.
So, you can pour this over there. What's that? Just a minute, y'all. But the elephant don't want to go over in there. So I gotta use a spoon. I'm gonna sit y'all. So you got your noodles, you got your green peppers, you got your onions, you got your ground beef. Only thing we're missing is, what we missing, Beth? Nothing? So you can eat spaghetti without sauce.
You need the sauce.
It's the sauce. The sauce. Me and my wife use traditional Hunt's pasta sauce. That's what we use. Traditional Hunt's pasta sauce. You feel me? It's the sauce.
You need it?
So I'm about to add the sauce. So I done mixed everything in. And this how the spaghetti looking right now, y'all. If y'all eat some of this spaghetti, please give me a thumbs up. Now it's time for me to season it, you know. Yeah, it is. What the fuck? I don't know. Oh my god, that's too much. Fuck. Should be good though. Ooh, mix that shit up good. Oh my god, it smells so good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Ladies, get you a man that can cook. Telling you. Get you a man that can cook. So yeah, cause you know, I ain't biased, you feel me? Not biased at all. I just feel as if, y'all probably need to see my face. Let me put the thing over there. I just feel as if, cut it down, you know, cut it down a little bit, cut it down, let me go on. I just feel as if a woman shouldn't have to always cook, you know what I'm saying? I feel as if that a man should be able to cook and do something special for his woman, and you know what I'm saying, and be confident in cooking. So I just feel like a woman shouldn't have to. So what? I don't know, cause I'm gonna have to taste it and see how it is. But a man should always have to cook. Do you agree, baby?
I agree to that.
From a 1 through 10, what you give my cooking? A what?
A 10.
You need to be proud. You need to be proud of that.
Damn, can you like back up?
Nah. Cause the nigga just got excited, y'all. She gave me a 10. She gave me a 10. You feel me? The nigga just got excited. Ooh, fuck it up. Ooh, fuck it up. Ooh, fuck it up. Ooh, fuck it up. She just gave me a 10, y'all. You feel me? Oh. Shit smells so good. But you know what we missing? So, you know, go ahead, show it to me, you feel me? Show it to me. Only thing we're missing is
that you got it to right now.
One of them, too. So I'm gonna make 4. You cut it off already?
No.
So gang. We done damn near, we just got done with the meal. So I want y'all to check it out. Tell me how y'all think it look. You feel me? Got the fish right here. Bang. Spaghetti. Bang. Then you got your Texas toast right there. Bang. You feel me? That go the meal for you right there, you dig? So, on a flip note, I hope y'all love this vlog, you feel me? So like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Show me some love, give me some feedback. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, tell me what I'm doing right. You feel me? And I appreciate it. I'm here for y'all. You feel me? I'm here for y'all. I got y'all back, y'all got my back. You did? So, like I said, I'm finna go ahead and chow down up on this good meal that me and my wife have prepared. You know, it's Sunday, so I want to say all praise is due to Allah. Jesus, for everybody that's Christian, Jesus, your Lord and Savior, everything. I bless everybody, you know what I'm saying? God bless everybody, and that's it. So that concludes this vlog, you feel me? And we will be back with another one because it's lit. Yeah, it is.